Hi everyone, welcome to Synthesia.io. This is the platform we're going to use to create our AI videos. So let me give you a quick tour around. So in the top right, you can see here we have the option to create a brand new video, or if you have a PowerPoint, you can import that. We have our templates on the top there that we can select between them. We can also look at our recent videos on the bottom here in list form or in a tile form. Moving over to the left, we've got our home screen. We can always press that to come back to this screen. We can go to videos. So over here, we can just see our existing videos and we can search for our different videos. There's different filters. We can even create folders. And we got the new video option, which we'll dive into in another video. We've also got the trash. If you have items that you want to delete and you haven't emptied the trash. And here we have our templates, which are pretty much what they say. They come with predefined avatars and a certain look and feel that you can just double click into. You can preview it and you can create a video straight from there. In the avatar section, you can take a look at the different avatars here, and you can even create a video straight from this view, from the avatar view. And then at the bottom left, we have some news. What is new with the platform? There's some learning available at the academy. You've got help, and then you have your specific account. So that is our general tour of Synthesia.io. So the next step is we're actually going to go ahead and create a new video from a template. And then I'm going to walk you through creating a video, downloading it. So let's get straight to it.